Hello, it's iYikKam time again. Today I'd like to share with you on obsolete, the wishful thinking and the interpretations of ancient Wing Chun saying. We all are actually guilty on repeating the ancient Wing Chun saying like a parrot. And then we argue with our own interpretations. And if there's not enough, we will quote or cite the internal art writing, such as from Tai Chi and so forth. Or you got to be soft, you got to be this, and you got to be that. Okay, all those wishful thinking, and actually we are like parrot. We are clueless on what we are talking about. Okay, it's just debate for debate's sake. There is a reason why it creates a mess today on this kind of stuff. Okay, it becomes a religion, a cult. It no longer have anything to do with reality. Okay. So I want to make an example to further share this with you. Okay. So this is a piece of ancient Wing Chun writing, which is called the ancient Wing Chun Queen Mind Method, okay, which is sent by a friend for me, because this is from a new book, okay. So let's first look at a few sentences to see how does it fit what we say in the 613.3, okay, or the 6 core element. The first thing is it said here, if the opponent attack you with a long bridge, then you use the close body to break it. So the opponent come with a long bridge, or he's using a long bridge style. You are using the close body to press body to break that. Okay. So what it means is this. Say this is you, and this is the opponent. It come in with a long bridge. Long bridge. So what you want to be is you want to be here. Okay? That means if you are here, you are jamming his long bridge. Okay? You make it for him really clumsy and you attack him here. Or you press him here. Okay? So that's what it is. Okay? So this is what we've been talking about, the close body, the snake engine. You go this close, okay? You go this close. You're not staying here or staying here to fight him, because you are in this long bridge range if you fight him. Okay, this is not the Wing Chun optimizations or Wing Chun uniqueness. Wing Chun uniqueness is over here. When you go here, you jam his long bridge, he cannot move or he's very clumsy, then you take him alive. Okay? So that's what it is. Okay? Now, the second thing we need to look at that is here, it says, the heart or the mind has to be quiet. The hand has to be stable. Well, mind quiet, as we talk about it in the mind element of the 6 core element. Okay, the mind element of the 6 core element, the state of the mind. Okay, the state there's 3 states in the mind state. There is settle, and then silence or quiet. Okay? So it said that the mind has to be quiet, the hand has to stable. So again, this fit into the 613.3. Okay? Now, let's look at the last one here. It said that when you move your hand, it has to be as soft as cotton. Okay, as cotton. Your hand has to be as soft as cotton. When you touch the body, then it has to be as hard as iron. Okay? So the hand need to be as soft as cotton, and the body, when he touch you or you touch his body, at that moment, at that instant, it has to turn into iron, hard. Okay? Now, with all of this saying, we know one thing. Even though this is not mine, okay, not the iYikKam lineage saying, it fit the descriptions of what we've been talking about, the snake engine, the erme, the closed body, all kind of stuff, okay? And also, there's one key we need to know here, okay, which is a word to point out. It said, every joint has to be loose. Every joint. Okay? So joints has to be loose. Now, as we know from the physical element of the 6 core element, there is 3 states. The first state is the joint has to be opened up, the body has to open up. The second is loose, the state of loose. The third is lightweight. So it is saying here, every joint has to be loose. Again, this is matched to what we've been talking about on the 6 core element, 13 state, and 3 system key. Okay? Now, if we do not have the 6 core element basic, there is no way for us to know what is the using the closed body to break the long bridge, as in the momentum of the 6 core element, or the forceful of the 6 core element. Okay? If we do not know 6 core element, we will do not know, what is the mind quiet. Okay, mind need to be quiet. Joints need to be open. Every joint needs to open, and the hand need to be soft as cotton, and the body hard as iron. This is all the fit to the forceful handling. Okay, this is momentum, forceful. This is forceful. Okay, this is mind element. This is physical element. So with this, we actually know what it is. We know this thing. We know this. What is this quid or mind method trying to say? And it verifies what we has been sharing so far. Now, the trouble comes is when one do not know exactly what it is, how it is. Okay, one do not know that. One do not know about the long using the closed body to break the long bridge, the quiet mind, the open up airy joints or loose airy joints, and the soft as the cotton and hard as iron. One doesn't know. One just keeping speculate and keeping argue or interpret what it is. There is trouble. Okay, it practically doesn't answer what it is and how it is. Okay, so that is what the screw up of all these your interpretations and my interpretations. It doesn't mean anything, but it is a wishful thinking. So it's like parrot who keep argue, debating, and see who can come up with even more fancy words, but really do not know what it is and how to get there. With the 6:13:3, we know exactly what this needs to be done. We need to know. We know exactly how to settle the mind element and get into the silence. We know exactly how to open up the joints, and we know how exactly to have a soft body and a soft hand and a soft touch and a hard body, because this is actually just a description of force flow plate. You touch him, it's really soft. So when you inject your force flow, it is like as hard as iron or steel. So over here he said, okay, touching the body, it is hard as steel. Okay, this is an injection, and with the injections from a soft, with the injections from a soft piece of arm, it just inject. So at the point of inject or touching or contact, okay, or contact, it is hard like steel or iron. But if one do not have the force flow, the snake engine to support the force flow, one cannot do that. Also, this one, the closed body we talk about, we want to get this close to the opponent, this close, not stay out here, and so he can use the long reach for you at you. You want to be here, so you make him awkward, okay? Jam his weapon. So you see, we must actually obsolete all this talk or saying or interpretations or wishful thinking which we do not know what it is. We need to get down to the bottom line to know exactly what it is and how to get there. So what it is and how to get there. That is the two words we use to obsolete the wishful thinking and the interpretations. You don't need to interpret. You don't need to have wishful thinking. You just ask the question, what is this? How is it done? Okay? So this is for you today. And of course, all this ancient writing is valuable. It tells us what happened in the past, but without knowing the what and how, it is a wishful thinking. It means nothing. Okay? So this is for you today.